Eyes like mirrors, but they don't reflect. A haunting truth you didn't expect. It hums, it hums beneath the skin. A song of terror where dreams begin. Whispering shadows calling my name, twisting the air, igniting the flame. Run, run, but you can't escape. Whispering shadows shaping your fate. Footsteps fall where the ground feels thin. A crackling sound from the void within. Wave turns frost, the air turns black. Paris forward pulls you back. Is it a voice or just the wind? The line between is paper thin. Close your eyes, but it's still there. A weightless hand, a heavy stare. Whisper